Welcome back guys to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how I made this thread skirt. Please like, subscribe and also share my videos. So let's get down to our video. And this is everything that you will need for this tutorial. Keep on watching. Well, for this skirt I will start off by measuring my waist measurement, which is 30 plus 0.5. You can also add 1 inches, it's fine. So my waist measurement is going to be 30,5. So now I'm going to calculate my radius. So my radius is the waist measurement divided by 6.28. Mine is 4.8. So I'll just convert it and make it 5. So that's for my radius. So well, now I'm just going to show you how I got the length. So I have 3 layers for my skirt. So the first layer is 7 inches and the second layer it's 14 inches and also the third layer is 18 inches. So the difference on this skirt is only the length of the layers. So as you can see, it means that the layer 1 will be shorter than layer 2 and also layer 2 will be shorter than layer 3. So I'm just going to show you here on the drawing on how it's going to look. Well, I'm going to fold my fabric 2 times until I get 4 layers like what I have right now. So, and whatever that I'm doing here on this fabric, which is I'll be cutting the first layer. So what I'm going to do on the first layer, it's also what I'm going to do on the second and the third layer. So, and the radius will be the same, so it's 5 for the radius. So I'm just going to place my tape on the top corner there and measure the radius, which is 5 inches, like so. And from this point here, I'm just going to measure the length of the first layer, and the length is 7 inches. So I will just mark 7 inches there, like so. So if I was doing the second layer, it means that I was gonna measure the length of 14, and if I was doing the third layer, I'm gonna be measuring 18 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I will go ahead and cut, and that's it. I'll be having a very full circle. And guys, remember, everything that I'm doing on layer 1 is what I'm going to do on layer 2 and layer 3. So now I'm just going to cut open the side of my circle, and then I will go ahead and hem the bottom part here. So I'm just going to hem on my layer 1 and layer 2 and also layer 3. So I'll just hem the bottom part using 0.5 for the seam allowance. Well, now I'm also done with hemming all my pieces. Well, now I'm going to place my third layer, which is the longest layer, and also place the second layer on top of it. I'm just gonna be also aligning the waist like so, and the first layer, that's it, the shortest one. And I'm gonna pin it down. So after pinning down, I'm just going to make a stitch to join everything together. Now I'm going to show you how I made the belt. So for the belt, I measured 16 inches on fold. That's it, 16 inches on fold. And I'm going to use this white fabric as my facing, so I'm just gonna place it in the middle of these two. So this is how I'm just going to do it, right side facing. So I'm just going to align everything together and also make a stitch. And at the end, after making a stitch, this is how my belt looks. I also gave it a strong press. Well, as I was ironing, I ended up folding in the edges of my belt with 1/2 inch. And now I'm just gonna show you how to join the waist line and also the skirt. So I'm also done joining the pieces together. Remember the 3 tiers I joined together to make it one piece. So well, now I'm just going to take this for the waist and then I will just align and pin them down like so. And at the end, this is what I have. So I'll just fold in like this, like what I'm doing right now. And I'm just gonna make a stitch. So that's it. So I'm done joining all the pieces together. So and what's left for me is to only insert the zipper. So I'm just gonna fold my skirt right side facing. So from this part here, I'm just gonna pin down and align all the layers together so it can just be nice and clean when I make a stitch. So now I'm just gonna make a stitch from this point here downwards. Yes, I'm just going to do this before I insert the zipper. Oh, sorry, for the allowance I measured 1/2 inch and also 1/2 inch. So that's it. I'm going to insert my zipper. Before inserting the zipper, I'm just going to show you this part here. So from that part, I'm just going to make a press and iron this side so I can align the zipper with the line there. So this is the one of the easiest way to insert the zipper. So I'm just gonna make sure that it aligns with the straight line there. So I'm done pinning, so I'm just going to make a stitch from here to up there. So my stitch will be in a form of a U shape. So I'm just gonna go ahead to my machine and I will show you how it looks at the end. So this is it, guys. This is how it looks. So after making attaching your zipper, this is exactly what you need to have. It needs to look like this. So well, now I have 3 lines there, so I'm just going to cut out the middle part to expose the zipper. And the more I'm cutting, the more the zipper is being exposed. So in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and also share my videos. So well, that's it. I'm done with my skirt and my zipper is well attached, and I just love how it looks, guys. So thank you for watching.